How to sign up for Apple TV Plus. Apple TV Plus is Apple's premium streaming service that offers exclusive original shows, movies, and documentaries. It is available on multiple devices, including Apple products, smart TVs, and web browsers. Signing up is a straightforward process, and new users may be eligible for a free trial. Follow these steps to create an account and start streaming Apple TV Plus. 1. Visit the Apple TV Plus website or app. Go to the official Apple TV Plus website on your browser or open the Apple TV app on an Apple device, such as an iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. The app is also available on select smart TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. 2. Click on Start Free Trial or Sign Up. On the homepage, locate the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button. If you're a new user, you may qualify for a 7-day free trial or an extended trial if you recently purchased an Apple device. 3. Sign in with your Apple ID. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you do not have one, you must create a new Apple ID by providing your name, email, and password. This ID will be used to manage your subscription and purchases. Select a subscription plan. Apple TV Plus offers a monthly subscription, usually priced at $9.99 per month. Some Apple device purchases may come with a free trial for 3 months, and Apple One bundles are also available if you want additional Apple services like iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple Arcade. Enter payment information. Provide a valid payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. While the free trial is available, you will be charged automatically once the trial period ends unless you cancel before the renewal date. 6. Confirm your subscription. Review the subscription details and confirm your sign-up. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your Apple TV Plus subscription. 7. Start streaming Apple TV Plus content. Once your account is set up, you can start watching Apple originals like Ted Lasso, The Morning Show, and Foundation. You can stream content on supported devices, download shows for offline viewing, and personalize recommendations. If you decide not to continue after the free trial, be sure to cancel your subscription before the trial ends to avoid automatic charges. Apple TV Plus offers a premium streaming experience with high-quality content, making it a great addition to your entertainment options.